bed. There, throw the ball.
Oh.
Look at that. Throw, there you go.
There you go.
Now throw the ball to Grandpa. Throw the ball. Throw the ball.
Nathan, throw the ball to Grandpa.
She's all the dots on it. Go get it. Watch your head.
We forgot a spare diaper for Nathan, so his butt is wrapped in a blankie and one of Great Grandma's cloth diapers that she found in a cabinet.
Thank you. Okay. Your turn. Great.
Hey.
Go to Grandpa.
Give me the ball. Give me the ball. That a boy. That a boy. Woo. Woo. Hey, Nathan, look. Here.
Here, Grandpa. Here. Woo. Okay, throw it here. Here, throw it to me. Whee! Oh,
Ah, yes.